Got some support down at like 6.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome in. See if we can't catch a trade today. Extreme weakness in the market this morning, so let's be cautious. What's up, YouTube? Good morning. Let's get it. Oh. If you have any questions, ask them in the chat. I'll do my best to answer them.
Yup. Buster Brick Nick, that seems about right, bro. That seems about right. First cold at Labor Day. That's how it's playing out right now. Just so we're not being able to yell and get my full energy out. But sick kid, he's got to sleep. Kiddo's got to sleep, so I got to. So, Gene's here with the Taco Bell. Let's go.
Gene with the win.
Yes, Gene said thank you, bro. King's the man. You saved her there.
Oh, wow, here's the rain. Pouring rain.
Yes, Mr. Gene, you see the market just dumped overnight.
Didn't realize it's supposed to rain today.
He's down at 23,000. Yep. No. Aston, hey, Aston, hey. Dogs are tripping out. You know why.
Oh, yeah, Vols dominated, huh? That was a good game. It looks solid.
We both know what's going on.
I can't tell how many people we have on here. Like, I can't see it.
Damn, Brandon
Oh, now I
killed
can.
that gold swing, though. Shout out Brando and the admin swing trading floor. If you took his trade, you made 2.
What a reversal there. What a bounce, brother. I don't really have a bias. I'm not for sure what we're going to do here. If we push up, I will look for a possible short entry here, though. Even though it's a ways off. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. You all have a good weekend, 3-day weekend. YouTube, give me a yes in chat if you can hear me. Just want to make sure. Awesome. Appreciate it. You can watch this up here for a possible short entry. We'll see how it does. It's the only thing I like, to be honest. Oh yeah. I like that. Yes, sir. I'm just playing. How about them VODs? That's what I'm talking about, Thomas. Good stuff.
Staying ultra patient these first 15, 20 minutes.
Yep, welcome in. Just smashed a massive protein shake before I got on here, so. Still recovering from that. Yeah, wonder what it'd be, Honda. Who knows? Push.
We have, let's just say we have a ways away from our but a ways away from London High.
All right, Team Bull. I'm gonna watch it. We're pushing up. I'm gonna start watching for a short entry, 23,200 to 23,212. It's the game plan.
I
Nice.
think that's a good idea.
Good morning, Lift Hunt game.
That's a very good idea. Got our 15-minute range in. Watch it for that 23,200.
Yeah, we got about if our average is around like 210. We've only got about 12 points worth of risk on this trade. If we break above that 225 area, it'd be invalid.
I like it. I like it, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it, and I like it.
We do have what? Let's see the data. We have PMI. We got PMI
Yep.
in 6 minutes. Then we have ISM manufacturing and construction spending at 10.
Construction spending. Your old gig.
Oh yeah.
Got some hard hat spending. Inside out.
Yeah. I'm not for sure.
Dean says good morning to all of you. Whew. I gotta chug my coffee. Well, Frank is awake, I think, which means I can bring the energy back soon.
Oh, I missed something here. I'm just talking to Team Bull there, YouTube. No trades yet for me. 10 numbers in 22 minutes. I like it, Honda. I like it. What'd you all get into over the 3-day weekend other than college football and steak? Anything good? Four minutes until data.
Yes, yeah, we'll see if the calm can outperform the loud one. That's right.
Coach Rush, what's your time frame you're looking at? And do you have real time data? That's what I'm talking about, Honda. Barbecue some tomahawks.
Up to 180, just a little higher, NQ. Just a little higher, Mrs. NQ. Come on, put this up.
So right here's the exact game plan. I'm looking for a short entry between here and here. This whole area.
Let's see.
Hopefully it's chill out here while we let this data get out of the way before it hits the level.
Yep. EMI in 3 minutes.
Yep.
EMI in 3 minutos. Let's get it, baby. 2. Oh man, it just feels so good that football's back too. Can't be enough. Something about making money trading and knowing you're going into the weekend with good sports to watch.
We still haven't started a draft.
I know, we're doing it tomorrow.
We've done it 2 years straight. Might as well keep it going.
Bro's feeling cocky from last season, huh?
Yeah, I enjoyed it last year.
You got Coach Gene. Cap. Yeah. Grizzly upset me in the finals too. I was kind of savage. Low key.
I think I had I thought I was cooked towards the end there, but the comeback. All right, PMI is about to drop.
Data in 30 seconds. Data in 30 seconds. It's the final countdown. Just looking around, a little more quiet. I'm trying to find some A+ setups are bouncing that demand zone so far down near 23,000.
So what is wrong with Trump right now?
I don't know. It's something about how he's been MIA. I don't really pay attention to the news, so.
Me neither. That's why I always ask in here.
Yeah.
I let the chat catch me up. So it makes the announcement today interesting. He's got an announcement later. Chat's on something this morning. Oh, YouTube, I have some Apex accounts to give away. I forgot. Should we do that towards the end of the live today for those that trade with Apex? The only catch is you have to use code Grizzly if you buy to qualify. That's the only thing I ask.
All right, let's see if we get this rejection up here.
I don't know, Josh.
I like that candle a lot in the 5-minute chart, Grizzly.
Yeah, the 5 minutes. Look at the fair value gap up there, that whole site.
Yep, looks good.
I can get you one, Josh. I know Umar. Just a little higher. Don't reject here, please.
Tell me they're not going to reject us 12 points early, Grizzly.
I was sitting here trying to plead with NQ not to sell off yet. Zoe.
All right, let's lock in. Let's find ourselves a winner.
Hopefully just don't destroy my reject level in one swift push up.
Um, touch 200. We literally went and touched it for 1 second. Came off.
Let's hope we break it just a little bit for my entry.
I didn't enter either. We didn't technically touch it. We got to 197. Excuse me. It edged it.
Pause.
Yeah. Not in, guys. Not in. Watching. I'd like to see a break, failure, and a wake up. Stop above. Still not in. Still not in.
Oh wow, I didn't even realize we was pushing up. I was messing with people in chat there.
Yep. Still not in. Just watching.
It's gonna just invalidate this on one push up, just like I said.
Just watching. I want to see a failure of 200 to wake up and a wake up, which we're clearly not getting yet. So staying patient. Well, technically the orb's actually. I didn't realize the orb's technically playing out too.
The breakout.
Upside. What?
The breakout orb.
Yeah, to the upside. I didn't even have that marked out. It's playing out perfectly on ES too. No rejects for me until we see some sort of failure.
Imagine it buys all this selling up. Everything we sold off.
Too wild. Yep, no downside setups for me now. Just until we lose. Honestly, absolutely lose 200, then ideally lose that upside orb level.
Oh, you saving it, Big Zo? I got you. I'm just gonna watch price action. If we get a high volume reversal candle on this push up, that may be my entry. We'll see. Ideally closer to VWAP at this point, up around that 23,296 area.
Yup. Woo! Give us a nice trick. Come on. Higher volume in the breakout of the orb too, so. I mean, no way I could have taken it on that close. Too much risk. The retest would have been fine. ES got a bit of a retest. Honestly, if anything, we missed the ES. Well, that would have been too big of a risk too, actually. Never mind, I take that back. All right, let's see here.
Being patient, YouTube. Oh, it is a short week, and we had some massive selling over the overnight session in the pre-market. So,
I do watch Flow and Bookmap. That is correct. I do watch myself some Bookmap.
what are you seeing on NQ, Jada?
I'll tell you in about 2 seconds. Maybe more than 2 seconds. Maybe about 10 seconds.
I agree. Lift hunt. Game. Sounds like a good life to live, hunt, and game.
My Bookmap's spazzing out. There we go. Not a ton right now. Not a ton in this zone. The orb played out nice. Too much risk for me on it with how aggressive that trend-setting candle was, but she played out good. Same with ES orb. ES orb technically was more valid than NQ because you had that retest of the 15-minute high. Broken codes paying some early Tuesday revenue. That's awesome.
Any questions you took?
Friday. Literally, those Apex codes broke. You know, like over 100 free accounts. That was so sick.
Any trades yet? I was doing something there.
No trades.
So there's a fair value gap on the 15-minute, huh? Let me see. CJG, looks like that we got two more above. I see what you're saying on the 15-minute though. GC, it made the move overnight when we wasn't trading, to be honest, pre-market.
Bookmap's not saying a whole lot on ES or, well, ES has a little bit of some decent selling pressure at like 64.20.
Z trades, I just don't want to look for long. I was looking for longs in demand, but it broke my zones, invalidated them, and we just have extreme weakness. So ideally, to go with the trend, we look for a short entry. Just be patient, catch the short entry. You know, not try to catch a falling knife. You know. Yep, data about to drop. Data drops. Hopefully pushes up to that level.
This is our last piece of data.
This is it.
I think we got Mr. Donnie T speaking today too. 20 seconds till data. Got a news alert. I got an alert for you. It's called Choose Discipline Over Dopamine Today. Stay focused, keep your promises to yourself, and do not blow your trading account up. Every day you stay alive is a day that you make progress. And that data actually kind of smacked.
Oh. That was my thought with Z trades. Stick around to the end of the live, everyone. I got some Apex codes. for you all. Get some free accounts. And remember, you can choose any account size with the codes, as far as I know.
Buy back this. Oh, whoops. Buy back this whole damn move. Gene, you want to come say hi to everybody? Up, people.
Yeah, I like this Area Z trades if we reject anywhere. We blew through the initial setup I was watching, ripped through it.
So, smart doing. Oh, back a little bit. Often. No, where's the team bull shirt at, Gene? Gene didn't come in uniform today. I saw a blue shirt under, and Team Bull doesn't rock blue. We don't rock blue. No, sir. No, we do not. Gene Machine. Gene Machine. Yeah. Whoa. Oh.
I'm trying some of my NQ shorts. I'm in.
Grizzly in the shorts. Grizzly in the shorts.
Light size week, everyone. Short week and massive sell off.
I like the idea too. Especially if this 5-minute candle closes like this. Looks good. A 5-minute chart looks good.
Oh.
I want to see us pop up a bit more. I was going to join you in the shorts.
There we go. Keep pushing. I'm going to take a trim here. Stops at entry now. Green trade regardless, everyone. Actually, I'm putting my stop at the high of this candle, this 5-minute candle. It's close to my average.
Nice job, bro.
Appreciate it.
Hopefully you can get that push below 200 and really get some movement on it. Hopefully you can get that push below.
Don't you do it, Kendall. Alright, I'm out.
I still like to pop to 240.
I'm looking for another entry. There's just too much, there's a little too much risk there if we broke above that. And we're inside this fair value gap, which I expect we'll lose. There's no way it came up and snagged that and was going down now. No way it did that. Literally to the point. Alright, Cody. I got you. You keep catching me off guard.
Oh no, my biggest friends are two.
What's the options look like today? I haven't even looked at them.
Oh, they're not horrible. The 564 is pretty much at the money or at $160 a contract right now for 0 days. So, I mean, they're a little more expensive, but not crazy. Oh, come on. I want to see us go up to like that 240 to 250, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. That's the best entry on the 5-minute chart. Doing a high risk entry, technically speaking, you can look like 220 to 230 all the way up to that 250, but too much risk for me. I know. Like 565 on QQ.
It's gonna sell off.
At least you got a green trade out of it. That's cool.
Sushi money.
About Team Bull, some sushi money. Sushi money.
I'm gonna start my short position again. Stops are gonna be above 236.
Trying a small piece with you if we pop up to 215 to 220 again.
I'm very light in this, everyone. But this is the area. If we're gonna sell off, this will be it. Just fall right through this 23,200. You don't need to bounce. Straight down. Straight down.
Not started it yet, guys. I'll let you guys know when I click buy. Grizzlies in his.
I'm in a baby size trade, everyone. I'm not for sure, Paula. You can DM me a screenshot of each. I'll see if I can figure it out.
You break down that 200, you should see some nice movement.
Don't you?
Holding 200, so I'm impatient.
I want to see a massive move down, to be honest, YouTube. I want to see a big move down off this, everyone. I'm light size. My stop loss remains the same. What's up, SQ? What are you talking about? It got my stop loss, everyone, on that one.
Alright. Still watching for that main ad area. I like. I'll let you guys know if I enter.
What are you laughing at, SQ? I don't understand. If you're laughing at someone else?
I love that we're holding that full sec 200 with potentially higher volume buying candle, but there's your copy. I've not entered any shorts. Nope. I haven't taken a trade yet. I'll let you know if I end up taking anything.
Oh, I got you.
Wait to see a bit higher.
He's just laughing at me. I'll just block him.
There's a very high chance I take shorts if we go up to 250.
What's this?
Really did you dirty there, huh, Grizzly?
Yeah, I took away most of my profits from the first trade. This is a place to short, man. I just don't want to get wicked out again. Are you in anything?
Nope. I'm watching for short. That's it.
It makes no sense to come into someone's live and act dumb. They just block you. You're gone forever. Why not just hang out and chill?
All I like right now is shorts.
It's crazy. That stopped me out. Let's see. My stop was at 236. Went to 241. You know he has a miserable life, people like that, you know. I feel bad for them, honestly.
All I like right now is shorts, but I am not into it.
That's awesome, Joey. Congrats, man.
I don't like trading around these whole site numbers either. Just waiting for an A plus entry to tap in.
See, trade, I feel that. Knocked out my profits from my first trade nearly. Oh, I can't quit yawning.
Choose discipline over dopamine, everybody. Stay patient.
It was so close to retesting that 15-minute range. And then Q.
Got close. Got about 10 points. Now intraday, it's looking like this flag wants to break.
So what's the question, Nick? Did I miss your other question? Why shorts? Because, let me zoom out here real quick.
See, I'm going to stay patient. If I can catch
I mean, what do you see here?
Today,
Just on the zoom out.
I'll be cool.
Hold on. Let me
First
mute.
trade of the week.
Team Bull so I can talk for a sec. First thing you notice is we're selling off downtrending, right? I mean, it's clear. Lower time frame downtrend, hourly. So, you know, we're not going to try to chase the big red candles down. So for a short entry, we have to wait on the pullback. And I'm trying to identify the key areas where we could catch a short entry and catch the move back down, which will be the better move. I still think we see the move back down today. Or I just would not waste our time, you know, trying to catch it and knock out our profits from the first trade. See what the 30-minute orb's at. You're welcome, Nick. What was I gonna do? Let's look at the 30-minute orb range for a minute. Interesting. Jaden talking. You say something, Jaden? Sorry about that.
I was asking how your profits were doing today.
Profits?
Yeah.
Nah, very small. Maybe get a taco.
Get a taco?
Maybe enough for a taco. Sushi's out off the menu now.
What about a burrito?
I don't know. That'd be pushing it.
Gene looked over. Gene loves burritos. favorite food. That I told you you couldn't eat anymore.
Are you going short up here, Jalen?
I did not. That was my level. 50 was my level, but I did not go short. I don't like how we came down, held that 200, aggressively moved back up. Yes, it was on lower volume, but I don't love how this chart looks. So I'll let you guys know if that changes. Currently, the trend is up for the day. We came up, had that trend-setting candle. If you're watching screen share, came back down, tested inside that candle. Now we're moving on up. So that's not a setup that I really like to short, personally. No trades for me yet.
Real quick, YouTube. For those that use code Grizzly when you buy accounts and you use Apex, who would like a free Apex code where you can get whatever account you want? Anybody? All right, so the first one that popped up was Daniel, what is that, Robles? Sorry for me to see. Daniel Robles, you have to DM me on Instagram, okay? You can find if you don't know where my Instagram is, you can go to grizzlytrades.com, or you'll see it in the description, and I'll have a link there for my Instagram. So that's the first one. AJK. You get a second one, so AJK gets a second code. I'm deciding. Dan Darley, you're the next winner. Jacquees Goins and Chris Ravietta, or whatever your name is. All right, that's it for today. Hopefully I got enough code for you all. Better check. What do I do with them? Oh yeah, got plenty. I've already gave all the ones I'm giving away today, everyone. I appreciate the I'm watching for a short entry right here. I'm back in shorts, everyone. Last trade for me. If it stops me out, to put me in the red for the day.
Trying to start our position with you too, Grizzly. I'm a baby at 10. I'd like to see 20 to 30. Got a baby piece. Very, very, very small. I'd like to see. If we get up to 20 to 30, I will add a main position with stops above 57. I'd rather see closer to 30. I did try the shorts in a very small fashion here.
We should flush here. Everything looks good. There's no reason for us to bounce. If we bounce, I'm just going to be done for the day.
I have a much wider stop on my initial position, guys. Hold. Not taking the shorts with me, Gene? I said no. Literally just said straight up no. If we go up between 20 up to 30, I'm going to put on more size with a stop above 56. You're waiting for the main ad area. It's between 20 and 30.
You're adding more there?
Yeah, that's my main area. I just took a small piece so I didn't miss it in case we flush here.
I like your 250 reject, but when you was hesitant, I was too.
So if I take shorts, the shorts between 20 and 30, and we stop above 56, that's a good risk reward trade. I don't love that we're holding 200, so if we just flush that, that'd be great.
We should, but the market may be just waiting on on him to speak later.
Down. These buyers need to
Chill out.
get out of here. All right. I added a little more here, guys. 30. Actually, 32. If we go above 56, I will stop out for a loss. At 56.25.
Oh.
I will stop out for a loss at 56.25.
Jeez, just pumping.
It's around $1,000.
That looked like the perfect entry too.
No more ads for me. No more ads for me, guys. It's either 56.25. Don't do it. Don't do it. 56.25 or we flush. No more ads. Jesus, it's gonna be a fast stop out.
That is wild, man. That made no sense.
Jesus Louise.
I don't know
That
YouTube.
was the fastest I've been stopped out.
That knocked out the rest of my profits and put me in the red.
Well,
I love
down
that setup
to
too.
Start Tuesday. That's wonderful. Down a rack to start Tuesday. That is
Loved
just,
it.
That is just great. Monday turned into the new Tuesday. I blame the short week. Yeah, my main area ad literally just got stopped in like 25 seconds. I swear if we liquidity sweep this and go down, I'm going to be so salty. If we literally swept that high and then move down, I am going to be so salty with this action.
Yeah,
That's messed up.
that 5-minute candle that we entered off of looked great for entry.
Oh, it's amazing. I mean,
Yeah.
I'd take that setup 100 times.
Yeah, anytime.
100 times I'd take that. You had higher volume, lower high, aggressive wick to the downside, and that's something I would take 100 times in a row. But it's just gonna be annoying if they go up and sweep that top of that by what, 6 points, and then rip us down.
Yeah, I'm not convinced on that candle.
Wow. If they really sell this off, I'm gonna be so salty. Yeah, short week Tuesdays, Monday. That's my excuse, guys. It's not my fault. It's the short weeks.
Well, YouTube, I apologize. We had one winner and 2 losers today. Just
my
not
fault. It's the short
cooperating.
weeks.
That looked amazing for entry right here, though.
Oh man.
I didn't add any more up here. I just kept the original position, but it got me. Sure enough.
Well, 0 for 1 to start the week. That's just great.
I don't trade well in short weeks anyway, so you all are aware of that. I say it every week.
No more trades for me unless we either A, break down 200, or B, see some sort of upside entry. That's it. We really go up and sweep this and then die, I'm going to be so salty. That is going to be no Mamex if that happens. That is going to be the definition of no Mamex. Yeah, I blame the first trading day of the week. It's because it's a short week. That's what we're going with, guys. No accountability. It's not my fault. It's the calendar's fault. Bro, no way. If I take another setup, it's going to have to be really good.
I don't know a better looking setup than that, though. What we could find. Previous 5-minute candle did close outside the 30-minute range, but it sold off instantly.
I'm not completely sold on that candle to the upside either, but I had to follow my stop.
Yeah.
I had to follow my stop. Being crooks. At least you had a winner. Really? I hesitated on a few decent entries and got stopped on that retest. No bueno.
I just hate, man. I don't care if a trade goes bad. I just hate when it's the perfect setup and just doesn't play out, you know?
Yep. It's always those whole site numbers. I should have listened to my gut there with that 200 holding and no closes below.
That's why I was talking about this the other day, but we put all this effort into learning and learn how to trade, and you just have days where it just doesn't make sense and it makes you question everything, like how people stay profitable. And it's just all about risk management. Have to manage risk to survive. If you don't, you'll be just like the thousands who fell, millions, however many it is. Is anyone here guilty of still holding a trade when it's invalid, even today? It's one thing you have to learn to break. It's one issue I struggled with. Holding for hope.
Market has one more hour from me. It's 11:30 Eastern time. After that, I'm outie.
Well, the orbs
15?
worked out twice, the 15-minute and the 30-minute.
They did for a second.
Starting to play out.
I'm glad you walked away. 0 for 1 on the day.
Well, YouTube,
0 for 1 on the day.
we'll have to come back tomorrow
It's all right.
with a positive mindset and just focus on
It's a
setup.
to start the
Try,
week.
all we can do is try, right? We always go lighter size on short weeks.
Selling the cars. Not the humble Honda, though.
We'll catch you later.
Is it time to shut